Future-proof. Your career in the age of AI. Most professionals are getting this wrong. Today, we fix that. Percent, extra string. The boring industry quietly hiring AI talent at 2x market rate. The number that should scare you is 85 million. That's the estimate from the World Economic Forum predicting job losses due to AI by 2025. For many job seekers, this looming threat isn't just a statistic, it's a potential reality. Yet amidst this turmoil, there lies an unexpected opportunity in one of the most unassuming sectors, the manufacturing industry. What's interesting is that this sector, often overlooked, is quietly ramping up its demand for AI talent at competitive salaries. Roles such as AI specialists and data scientists in manufacturing are consistently offering compensation that starts around $90,000 and can reach up to $180,000 in some areas. That's almost double the market rate for similar positions in more glamorous tech environments like startups or digital marketing. But why this push into AI in manufacturing? The official narrative is about efficiency and modernization, implementing automation to streamline processes. What really happens is a shift in skills. Traditional roles in manufacturing aren't disappearing, they're morphing. Operators are now becoming data analysts, and machine maintenance is intertwined with predictive analytics. This transformation is creating a unique intersection where manufacturing meets cutting-edge technology. The unintended consequence nobody saw coming is that while companies scramble to fill tech positions, the existing workforce lacks the credentials to cross that bridge. Many workers are left behind, caught in outdated roles. However, those willing to adapt and gain skills in AI and data analytics may find themselves uniquely positioned to tap into these emerging opportunities. If you have the inclination or the opportunity to reskill, the payoffs could be substantial. So here's what this means for your next paycheck. If you're in one of those stable but underappreciated roles in manufacturing, consider diving into AI training. Platforms offering certifications can get you up to speed in data science or machine learning. The thing nobody in HR will tell you, recruiters in these industries are looking for more than just experience. They want adaptability. Employers are actively seeking employees who can pivot and expand their skill sets, even if they don't have traditional tech backgrounds. You could be one of those candidates. A prime example is in predictive maintenance. That's the process where machines use AI to predict their own failures. This creates a niche role for data engineers in manufacturing. There's a growing need for professionals who understand the machinery as well as the data. One scenario is that these hybrid roles offer not just job security, but also the potential for higher pay, as companies realize the increased value in their investments. But how do you position yourself for this hidden winner? Start networking within your industry. Identify key players and engage with them about the tech shifts. Attend industry-specific conferences or seminars focused on AI applications. Leverage platforms like LinkedIn to connect with individuals already in those roles. If you only remember one thing from this, skill up and do it in a way that aligns with the needs of your current or desired industry. AI training won't just make you more employable, it can lead you down a path many job seekers are missing altogether. Now, let's look at market data to illustrate this growth. In the past year alone, job postings for AI roles in manufacturing have surged by 75%, according to recent data from LinkedIn. That's a significant jump compared to just a 30% growth rate in other sectors. Here's where most people get it wrong. They assume AI opportunities are confined to tech giants or big startups. Yet the reality is, these boring traditional industries are the ones ready to pay a premium for AI expertise. Companies might be reluctant to make headlines, but they are investing heavily in technology because they understand the long-term viability it brings. As industries adapt, the workers who understand this shift and equip themselves with relevant skills will find themselves in high demand. So, what can you do today? Research AI training programs that suit your industry, whether it's through online courses or local community colleges. Many institutions are offering upskilling opportunities with a focus on applied skills, targeting industry needs, which can be a practical way to boost your credibility. Most importantly, keep an eye on how your role could evolve. As AI continues to infiltrate the manufacturing sector, adaptability will be your greatest asset. The manufacturing jobs of tomorrow won't resemble today's in many respects, so stay ahead of the curve. The framework here is straightforward. Identify roles that are integrating AI in unexpected places, network within those circles, and upskill accordingly. You've got the chance to not just survive, but thrive in this new landscape. Future-proof. Thanks for listening. If this added something to how you think about AI and work, follow the channel.